bunny. Honey bunny. Give me a smile, you. Give me a smile. You're serious in all the pictures. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yes. We've got loads of pictures with you smiling. We're sick of you smiling, we are. We're sick of it.
See if you can get him to laugh.
We're sick of you smiling. Now you, serious pants. Here, cranky pants. Give us a smile, would you? What? Where are you trying to go? Yes. Tony, yoo-hoo! You really don't like the camera, do you? You like your mummy. Yeah.
Tony? Hey, Tony!
Yoo-hoo! You ready for another little nap, maybe? I think you might be. What do you think, Sean?